Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of printer asking for save instead of print in Windows 11. So without any delay, let's get into it. So here I've opened a Word file. I'll simply type anything. If you want to save it, just click on save. After that, go to file, go to print option and click on Microsoft Print to PDF. If the option to print to file is toggled on, simply turn it off and choose the option of Microsoft Print to PDF. After that, select the other setting of how many copies you want, in what format you want, and after that you will see the option of print rather than save. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.